guys, I'm going to be doing a really quick hair tutorial. I have to take my ring off because it keeps on falling off my fingers. You know, when you thin and shit. Okay, so this is my iJoseLUX hair. It is pretty long. I'll link the video in the description bar for you. But this was a tights, was it? Yeah, and I just cut a strip of it. So, and it's really stretchy. Look, it's like stretchy. A tights, yeah, it is. So I'm going to put my hair like to the back. And I'm going to get my piece of tights and put it underneath and do one of these, and then kind of fix my hair up in here, and then I'm going to tie it. Now as you can see, it's not too high. It depends on how far back you want the bun to be, and I'm just going to go around and then tie this here. Alright, then I'm going to take the hair. Boy, it's a pull. Ayo, ayo, too tight, oh, too tight, oh. Phew. So I mean, you can do this, but nah. Then I'm going to grab like 2 sections of the hair and just twist it. Twist, 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 twist. And then I'm gonna bring it around. See that? Do you see what I'm talking about, honey? Do you see me? And I'm going to tuck the hair under. I hope it do it properly. I'm just trying to tuck it in. Tucking, tucking, tuck, and that's the hair. That's it. It's pretty short, a pretty short video, but this hair is pretty long. It's like between 30 and 34 inches. It's, excuse me, pretty long. And yeah, that's how I do this specific bun. I know my edges need to be, but no. Focus, it's the hair. I know this is a hair tutorial, and if I'm doing a hair tutorial, my edges must be laid, but y'all have seen this top before. Y'all know I'm filming today. So I'm gonna change my shirt and make it look like a different day. Bam! Score. Okay guys, that's it. Bye.